Well, tonight at 11, the man accused of killing a Nassau County deputy could face the death penalty. The state making that announcement today after Patrick McDowell was indicted for first-degree murder in the death of Deputy Joshua Moyers. On your side's Don White has more now from two experts on what must happen for someone to be sentenced to death here in Florida.
For a capital case or a death penalty case, it has to be something of the first degree, in this case, murder in the first degree. So it's premeditated murder.
This man, Patrick McDowell, is accused of shooting and killing Nassau County's Sheriff's Deputy Joshua Moyers during a September traffic stop in Callahan.
There's no specificity on time on premeditation. It can be a moment in time where they make that decision that I'm going to take this person's life. And in this case, that's what McDowell did.
First Coast News crime and safety expert Mark Bachman says premeditation can happen in just mere seconds.
It has to be a thought, a period of thought, and it can be as little as 5 seconds or 2 or 3 seconds. It doesn't have to be something planned over a week or days.
Alan Chipperfield is an assistant public defender in Jacksonville and says in order to get a death sentence, the state has to prove an aggravating circumstance.
Things such as having a prior conviction for a crime of violence, being in custody or under sentence at the time of the crime, a murder that's cold, calculated, and premeditated. That is a higher level of premeditation.
Chipperfield says the defense will try to prove mitigating circumstances of why a defendant shouldn't get the death sentence.
Things like growing up in poverty, being abused as a child, being under the influence of another person, being high on drugs, being under some sort of pressure to commit the crime.
Reporting Dawn White, First Coast News, on your side.
So right now, there are 305 inmates on death row in Florida. 99 have been executed in the state since 1976. Meanwhile, Patrick McDowell is behind bars without bond. He's set to be in court October 21st for his arraignment, where he's expected to enter a plea.